everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add filters on iMovie. To add filters on iMovie project, first of all, open the iMovie application on your mobile device. Start up a new project, select Movie from the bottom of the page and then select a video clip from your device's camera roll that you want to edit. After selecting a video clip, click on Create Movie at the bottom and you will be taken to the movie editing screen. Go ahead and make necessary edits for your video clip, and once you are done, select the clip on your timeline like this and then make sure to select this filter icon at the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on the filter icon, select the filter of your preference from the available presets. After choosing your filter and applying onto your video clip, tap on the Done button at the top left, and that is how you will be able to add filters on iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.